Hello everyone and Aquaba back to my channel. I hope everybody is fine. In today's video, we're taking a look at common kitchen items, the things that you usually find in a typical Ghanaian home. So we're talking from tables, mortar and pestles to asanka bowls and more. Stick around as we explore each of these useful items in the kitchen. If you're ready, I am ready. Yanko. Mukase, mukase, sapo, sapo, samena, samena, sekai, sekai, edinam, edinam, atere, atere, prete, prete, kuruwa, kuruwa, weduro, weduro, woma, woma, asanka, asanka, tapoli, tapoli, contain, contain, sonye, sonye, encuentre, encuentre, eta, eta, akonya, akonya, pono, pono, frigi, frigi, niaba, niaba, atusodie, atusodie, chancing, chancing, sutof, sutof, oja, oja, funono, funono, apopadie, apopadie, or entomago, entomago, inyane, inyane. And that brings us to the end of the lesson. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment below and let me know what's one kitchen item you think every home should have. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care. Until later. Bye.